Birds are flying in the sky. Some are low and some fly high. Fluffy wings and colors bright, singing songs from morning light. Big, strong birds and tiny too. Some say hoot and some say coo. Come with us, it's time to play. Let's meet the birds that fly all day. This is a pelican, big and strong, with a beak that's super long. He dives for fish beneath the tide and scoops them up with mouth so wide. Flaps his wings and flies away, back to rest at end of day.
Oh! Help me! What?
The eagle soars up in the sky. With mighty wings he loves to fly. Sharpest eyes he sees so far, like a flying superstar. He guards the mountains strong and bold, a king of skies, so brave and cold.
Nice!
The stork stands tall with legs so thin, he walks through lakes with a gentle grin. His feathers white, his beak so red. He builds his nest where trees have spread. He waits so still, then takes the flight, gliding softly through the light.
NANI?!
Ding, ding. The spoonbill has a beak so wide, like a spoon turned on its side. He wades through water slow and neat, searching for a snack to eat. With pinkish wings, he flaps with grace, a lovely bird in every place. The ostrich runs on legs so strong, the fastest bird all day long. He cannot fly, but that's okay. He kicks and sprints, then runs away. With fluffy feathers, big and tall, he's the tallest bird of all.
Nope.
The vulture flies in circles high, with watchful eyes up in the sky. He finds his food from far away, then glides down low without delay. With feathered wings and clever beak, he helps keep nature clean and neat.
Oh my God!
The black cormorant dives down deep to catch the fish that try to leap. His feathers shine in shades of black. He spreads his wings, then dries them back. He swims so fast without a sound, a fishing bird that can't be bound. Oh my God! The seagull flies above the shore with wings that flap and gently soar. He sings a song, squawk, squawk, with cheer whenever boats or kids are near. He loves to glide and dive for snacks, then rest upon the sandy tracks.
the black swan glides across the lake with gentle moves and no mistake. Her feathers shine in darkest hue, so calm, so proud, so graceful too. She spreads her wings without a sound, a lovely sight that's all around.
Nope.
The Bluefooted Booby's full of flair. With bright blue feet he loves to share. He dances funny on the sand and shows his moves so bold and grand. He flaps his wings and gives a cheer, a silly bird we all hold dear. The flamingo stands on just one leg, so tall and pink she's not an egg. She loves to wade in water deep and sometimes takes a cozy sleep. With feathers bright and graceful neck, she's quite the star. What you reckon? Eagle owl with eyes so wide, he watches closely where you hide. He flies at night without a sound, so quietly he moves around. With feathery tufts upon his head, he hoots hoo-hoo before you fled.
Nice.
The parrot's feathers shine so bright, in red and green and blue and white. He talks and squawks and loves to play and repeats the words you say. He flaps his wings and sings out loud, a cheerful bird who draws a crowd. We flapped like birds and soared up high. We saw them waddle, swim, and fly. From parrots loud to owls at night, and pink flamingos dancing bright. Some built nests, some caught a fish, some wore shoes that bluebirds wish. Thanks for flying by today. More fun birds are on the way.